Hey folks, have you ever had that feeling where you want to draw a new comic, but you're not sure what story to draw and you're looking for ideas, right? So here's how I get around that and I generate some new ideas. I'm going to take a blank piece of paper on my clipboard here or on the table in front of me. I'm going to take a light colored marker. We're using orange today. And I'm going to go into this paper and I can close my eyes. I can look off in a different direction. And I'm just going to fill this paper with blobs that I've never seen before. I find this is really fun to just relax my mind and slowly fill the paper. And, you know, if there's somebody in the area that you want to ask to collaborate with you, oh, there we go. You can give that marker to a housemate or a friend, and they'll draw some blobs that you never would have drawn. So I love getting your creative ideas on this page. Very nice. Thank you very much. And so now I have this page with all these crazy shapes. And now I go into it and I turn on my imagination. And your imagination, when it looks at these shapes, will start to turn them into things and will start to tell stories about them. Oh, I'm starting to see some crazy characters in here. I will reach for a darker marker. In this case, we have black or crayon or pencil or whatever you're drawing with. And I'll go in and I'll turn each of these blobs into, well, here, why don't I show you up close what it looks like when this happens. We're going to turn these into a musical band today. Here we go. That was fun. Well, try it yourself on a blank piece of paper and let us know what kind of characters and stories you find in those blobs. You're bound to surprise yourself. Good luck.